What is a research question? A research question is a clear, concise, and focused inquiry that guides academic or scientific investigation. It defines exactly what the researcher wants to know and sets boundaries for the scope of the study. More than just a topic or general area of interest, a research question is the starting point for the research process. It determines the direction of inquiry, the type of evidence needed, and the methods that will be used to collect and analyze data. A good research question is specific, researchable, meaning it can be answered through empirical data, analysis, or argument, and significant enough to contribute meaningfully to knowledge in a particular field. From broad topics to focused questions. Many students and researchers begin with a broad topic of interest, and then work to narrow it into a researchable question. A broad topic is often too vague or wide-ranging to be explored in a single study. For instance, climate change is a broad topic. It encompasses numerous issues such as rising temperatures, policy debates, economic impacts, and environmental consequences. It's a useful starting point, but not a question in itself. To move from a topic to a research question, the researcher must make choices about which aspect to explore, in what context, and with what type of evidence. For example, the broad topic of climate change could be narrowed into a research question like, how have climate change policies affected renewable energy investment in Germany since 2010? This question is specific, focusing on policy effects. Limited in scope, renewable energy in Germany, and researchable, using policy documents, investment data, etc. Another example is the topic social media. This is far too general to serve as a research question, but it can be developed into a question like, how does TikTok use affect the study habits of college students in the United States? This version identifies a platform, a behavior, and a population, making it much more suitable for systematic investigation. Why this distinction matters. Understanding the difference between a topic and a research question is crucial because it influences the success of a research project. A topic provides a general area of interest, but a research question determines what data to collect, what literature to consult, and what argument or explanation to build. It's the anchor that holds a project together and gives it direction. Without a well-formed research question, research risks becoming aimless, overly descriptive, or too scattered to yield meaningful insights. Ultimately, moving from topic to question is about turning curiosity into inquiry. It reflects the shift from simply being interested in a subject to actively seeking answers, and that's the heart of any good research. Stay tuned for more insights into business and the social sciences. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dog, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.